Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Concept W. This is one of the DC motor question. Let's solve this question. Here it is given a 230 volt DC series motor. Means it is given a terminal voltage of 230 volts. It has an armature resistance of 0.25 ohm and field winding resistance of 0.1 ohm. At rated voltage, motor draws a line current of 40 amps. Means under rated condition, the current drawn from the supply is 40 amps. And at rated condition, the speed is 1000 rpm. They are asking to find speed of the motor when motor is drawing a current of 20 amps and supply voltage is 230 volts. And they given one more condition like if suppose a motor is drawing in current of 20 amps, then the flux will be 60% of its full load current. Means flux in second case is equal to 0.6 times the flux in first case. This phi 1 is in rated condition. Phi 2 when armature current of 20 amps. Right? Let's write down the data here. Here it is given a DC series motor and given terminal voltage of 230 volts, an armature resistance of 0.2 ohm and series field resistance of 0.1 ohm. In the first case, means under rated load condition, it is drawing a current of 40 amps and it's running at a speed of 1000 rpm. Now, by these values, let's calculate back EMF. Back EMF EB equal to Vt minus Ia into Ra plus Rac. Ra is an armature resistance, Rac is series field resistance. By this, I found a back EMF EB1 equal to 218 volts at rated load condition. And they given under rated load condition, its speed is around 1000 rpm. Now, if you go for case 2, means under if suppose a motor is drawing a current of 20 amps, we need to find a back EMF. Back EMF EB equal to Vt minus Ia into Ra plus Rse. Here Ra is 0.2 ohm, Rs is 0.1 ohm, Ra plus Rse will be 0.3 and armature current of 20 amps. By substituting these values, I found a back EMF of EBT equal to 24 volts. In this condition, they already given the flux will be 0.6 times the flux under rated condition. We already know the basic formula EB equal to K into phi into omega. Here EB1 back EMF under rated condition. EB2 back EMF when a load current of 20 amps. Phi 1 is in flux under rated condition. Phi 2 flux when motor drawing an armature current of 20 amps. Speed N1, the speed of machine under rated condition is 1000 rpm. We need to find N2. By substituting the above values, I found speed of the motor when motor drawing an armature current of 20 amps, its speed will be 1712 rpm. This is a very basic question. Mainly, the concept involved in this particular question is field flux control. You see, by reducing the field flux by 40%, speed increased from 1000 rpm to 1712 rpm. In order to solve this sort of questions, please subscribe to my channel.